Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I am going to show you how we can clean cache on your window laptop or desktop window 11. Okay, so let's start the video guys. I'm going to show you step by step process. So come to the window and here we need to go in the search option and search for disk cleaner. So here you can see this app which is disk cleaner. Just open it. Now you can select your C drive. Okay, and C or where you have Windows installed. So my window installed in C, so I just click on C, just click OK. Now it will be scanned. Now what you need to do, just here you need to select that file to delete. Download program file. Here the temporary internal file we have 3 MB. Window error file, so direct shared cache here. Okay, 2 MB. And we have the some delivery optimization recycling bin. We have 2 GB temporary file. We have okay, we have recycling bin 2 GB. Temporary files we have some one part. Oh, this is very nominal. And thumbnails we have 348 MB. Okay, now we can just clean up systems. Click OK. So it will start disk cleaning. Okay, we need to wait few minutes here. Okay, now we'll see again this window, another window where you need to select all. Okay, so we have that file which I can delete to clean up our window. Okay, you need to select all the, you need to check mark to all files and click OK. So it will be permanently delete. You can recheck, like you can recheck your download program files and all. Okay, it's all temporary file, you don't need to worry. Okay, so just delete it. So now it will be start deleting. Okay guys, so is cleanup done now. So you need to restart your PC or laptop. Now your cache is removed. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.